I want to show you how to create this typewriter effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Start by creating your text. Click on the Type tool and type your text. Double-click on the text layer. Then, in the Essential Graphics panel, center the text both vertically and horizontally. Decrease the font size according to your requirements. Now go to the Effects panel, search for Crop, and drag it onto your text layer. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Crop effect, click the stopwatch icon next to Right and set the value to 100. This will create our starting keyframe. Now move a few seconds forward on the timeline and change the right value back to 0. This will create the typewriter animation effect. If you change the distance between the keyframes, it will change the speed of the animation. You can also add a typing sound effect. Simply go to the Project panel, import your sound effect, and place it on the timeline.